Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Jay. Listen, I'm gonna show you this cool little trick that I just came upon. Make an instructional video. I just made me a little mask from a sock that I had, right? So it's nothing fancy. It's not the special certified mask that they have. But I made this, and all you need is a sock. So I have a sock. It's clean, good clean sock. And that's baby. So all you do is take the sock, right? You take the sock. You see the curve of the sock. What you want to do is you take your scissors, and you want to cut down here somewhere, okay? I'm gonna show you. It's really simple, guys. I'm gonna cut it across. So you kind of cut the toe part out, right? Cut the toe part out. All right. So that it's like this. Okay. You have the ankle part. You have the toe part, right? Then where the curve is, take your scissors, cut up the curve, right? So that you can kind of butterfly it open. All right. It works better if you kind of crunch the sock in. That way it can go ahead and cut through. All right. Hey. No, ma'am. Sorry, she's just trying to be a part of the show. All right. So it'll be like this. So go ahead and close it. So remember, we started out whole, then we cut it up the middle. And then what you do is you take the scissors and the sock. All right. And then fold the front part, okay? Just kind of, see this? Just kind of fold it in like that. That's all it is. You just take the part that you cut open and you just kind of fold it inward. See? Boom. Almost like you're trying to fold it, put it away. All right. You take that, then you take your scissors, all right? And then you want to kind of split it. Real simple. Kind of split it. All right. And so there you have, not perfect, all right, not perfect. Boom. There you have a quick mask, right? So, really simple. Again, it's not any N95 or anything special like that. But this is just in case you want to create something really quick because, you couldn't find a mask or you were waiting on a mask or something of that sort. That's all it is. You take it. Put that ear in there. All right. So it works better if you have a sock that you stretch out first, right? If you stretch it out really good, like this one is pretty stretched out, then you can have some give in it, It's not one that's just real solid. But hey, thanks for watching. Share this with your people, man. Y'all be safe out there.
I'm tired of laying down my problems and picking them up again. I'm tired of dealing with this sickness and need a helping hand. So I'm trading beauty for ashes so I can change within. And today I'm starting over.